The Pocket Shot is the world's first circular slingshot, designed and manufactured in the US. What makes it different is its compact and circular design, so wherever your pocket goes, the Pocket Shot can go too. Included with every Pocket Shot are a cap, an inner ring and outer ring, as well as one standard pouch and one 2.0 pouch. The difference of the 2.0 pouch is that it's longer and the fins are more defined, allowing for more power and increased durability. And the concave grip of the outer ring makes shooting more comfortable in your hand. The Pocket Shot cap doubles not only as a seal to keep your ammo inside, but also as a key to tighten and loosen the inner ring for changing out pouches. First, you start with the cap. Be sure to line up the teeth of the inner ring with those on the cap. Hold the outer ring with your left hand, and with your right hand, turn the cap away from yourself. Then hold the inner ring still while you lift the pouch up and off. Now put the first two fingers of your left hand through the ring and hold the pouch in place with your thumb. Then stretch the pouch over and on with your other hand. Once the pouch is on, you want to pull down and towards yourself till the pouch is flush with the inner ring lip. Make sure to use the side with the indentation and not the flat side when you put the ring back on. Same as before, line up the ring and cap teeth, but now turn towards yourself. Now you're ready to shoot. The Pocket Shot can fire steel balls, clay balls, and paintballs. To shoot the Pocket Shot, place your ammo inside. Hold outer ring with index finger and thumb, then pinch your ammo, pull pouch back, and release to fire. Order your Pocket Shot today.
When a disaster happens, will you be ready? Get peace of mind that you'll always have nutritious food on hand with ReadyWise. ReadyWise makes it easy to be prepared with their 30-day emergency food supply bundle. We offer 10 nutritious options for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and drinks. Just add water to make instant meals that are easy to prepare and amazingly delicious. ReadyWise, food that will be there for you when you need it most.
This is the compact Clearpath Machete. What I like about this blade is that it's dual-sided. Really sharp edge on the bottom end here to cut through branches and vines, and a saw blade up top when I need to cut even larger sticks and limbs. Having a machete like this that has two tools built in is useful because we don't need to carry more than just one, thus cutting down our weight and allowing us to get further out into the field. The sheath is nice and rigid. It also has a belt loop to attach to my hip and my overnight bag. When using a machete or a saw, you're going to need something with a real solid grip. So being able to have a good meaty handle like this, especially with this lanyard, it's going to ensure that we have a solid handhold while we're using the tool. This is the compact Clearpath Machete.
This is the new Wrath 430 crossbow from CenterPoint. We started field testing this a couple weeks ago. Really impressed so far. I'll tell you what, my first thoughts, it's probably the best bang for your buck crossbow in the market. And when you look at this, it's just over 28 inches in length. It's only 9 inches axle to axle when it's cocked. It's really nice for shooters of all sizes and ages. Now let's focus on some of the features on this crossbow that I really like. You know, first off, it has an adjustable stirrup that locks into place in a couple different positions, and it'll also completely fold back, which makes it really nice. The scope that comes with this package is a 4x32 illuminated scope with various red and green color options. Some of the other features I really like about this crossbow are the timing marks on the cams. It allows you to be able to check the timing of your crossbow, make sure your crossbow is always in time. The dampeners in between the cams and the limbs, that helps a lot with vibration and noise. And then if you look here at the quiver, the quiver mounts to a Picatinny rail here on the bottom. It allows you to adjust your quiver forward and backwards. You can also adjust the quiver mount so that it's suitable for right-handed or left-handed shooters. The ball bearing retention is a really nice feature. It creates consistent pressure on your arrow. And then the rope cocker, it's made with a sled mechanism, so it provides a really consistent and smooth draw cycle. But I'll tell you what, the Wrath 430 coming in at 430 feet per second with all these features at the price point it's at, it's going to be really tough to beat. For more information on the Wrath 430 and other CenterPoint products, visit your local dealer or check them out online.